What are the pros and cons of using large tiles on floors? Dear friends, large floor tiles have become a popular choice in modern homes, and for good reason. They create a sleek, seamless look that instantly makes any space feel bigger and more luxurious. Because there are fewer grout lines, the floor appears less cluttered and more visually open, which works especially well in living rooms and open-plan areas. Another major advantage is easy maintenance. With fewer grout joints, there's less space for dirt and stains to accumulate, making cleaning quicker and more effective. Large tiles also provide a more uniform surface, which enhances the overall aesthetic appeal and can even increase property value. However, large tiles do come with some drawbacks. Installation can be more challenging and requires a highly level subfloor. Even slight unevenness can cause lippage, where tile edges are not perfectly aligned. This means installation costs may be higher due to the need for skilled labor. They can also lead to more material wastage, especially in smaller rooms where cutting is required to fit the tiles properly. Additionally, large tiles can feel slippery if not chosen with the right finish, particularly in wet areas like bathrooms. In conclusion, large tiles offer a modern, spacious look with easier maintenance, but they require careful planning and professional installation to avoid potential issues. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.